Hello, my name is Jack, and I'm the owner of the Shamisen Dojo. In 2024, I established this dojo here in Nishijin, a historical district of Kyoto, to share the beauty of the shamisen with the world. The shamisen is often described as the Japanese banjo featuring 3 strings and a body covered with skin. It has been used by geisha to entertain guests and is also well known as accompanying instrument in Kabuki theater. At Shamisen Dojo, we focus on the Tsugaru shamisen style, which is more powerful and improvisational in its expression. Kyoto is the cultural heart of Japan, offering countless traditional experiences. But here at the Shamisen Dojo, our motto is to go beyond the usual tourist attractions and to let you connect with Japan's deeper culture through music. I truly look forward to sharing a session with you here in Kyoto.